and a very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our beginner's solo quick step practice routine number 3. Now, usually I tell you that it's a short summary from a class that I previously taught online, and there's a full class associated with it in my video library. This isn't. What happened was I was actually teaching the class for routine 4, and then I moved on to routine 5 a few months ago, and I had misnumbered the files on the computer, and I have actually not ever done a quick step routine 3 class, and therefore there was never a summary for it. So I just thought I will plug that little gap, because I hate having gaps in the playlist. There's no full class associated with it. This is just a very short practice routine, a couple of minutes long, nice and easy, beginners practice routine 3, so it's actually at a level which is harder than routine 2, but it's easier than routine 4, okay? So I'm going to start with my V-shaped basic. Remember, this actually combines what would normally be the followers and then the leader's steps, and allows us to go one way then the other, which we wouldn't normally do in the ballroom. So this is just for the living room. I'm going to go slow, quick, slow, slow. That's like a little check at the corner. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Face the corner on each one. I call that the V-shape basic, just for the quick step, living room friendly. I'll do that again. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. I'm going to do a back lock step and then a forwards lock step. And there's one additional step in there to stop us at each corner. Again, it wouldn't be there if I was dancing with the partner in the ballroom. So I start back again, cross, back. That is what we do in the ballroom. I'm going to do one more step and then change my weight and go forwards. That's what I wouldn't normally do, okay? I'd normally take that step and head on down the ballroom. So let's look at that with the timing. I'm going to go slow, quick, slow, and slow. Use my right foot, go back the other way. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. And slow, quick, slow, and slow. Okay? Next step, I've got it on the notes. I'm going to do some rotary chassis. Rotary just means to rotate, okay, to go around. And the chassis only, so no starting step before or after. So the side closed side is this, which is our chassis. Okay, so I'm just going to do that straight away. I would have done the lock step forwards, slow, quick, slow, and slow. Now I'm going to go left, little quarter turn, facing diagonally to the corner, back of my room, side closed side. Another bit of turn, side, close, side. So rotate, chassis, rotate, okay? Let's do the V-shaped basic twice, the lock step, back and forwards twice, and then those 2 chassis. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. Slow, quick, slow, and lock step. Slow, quick, slow, and slow. 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 Quick, slow, quick, slow. Now, second half is just some footwork steps. Going to do them on the spot. Going to take my left foot, step on it, heel, right foot, toe, step, heel, step, toe. Little Charleston variation, okay? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then some single woodpecker hops, slow, and pendulums, slow. You can keep that on the floor, or if you're brave, you can come slightly up off the floor. Do make sure that you're warm before you start jumping up and down. Let's put the whole thing together. I will count and we'll see where we get to. And slow, quick, slow, and slow. 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 lockstep, slow, quick, slow and slow, slow, quick, slow and slow, slow, quick, slow and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow, 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 slow and slow, 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 slow. There we go. As always, not done with music because of all those YouTube restrictions, which is why I tend to just do these very quickly and get them up on to the internet just with my count. So that was beginners solo quick step routine 3, not attached to any previous class because I messed up those numbers. So if you're watching this in my video library, it's just an extra practice routine. If you're watching it on YouTube, it plugs that lovely gap so we have a nice full playlist. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help me grow the channel, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye bye.